Hey, what's up? What's up? Oh my God, that's grainy as hell. Anyways, don't watch the Christmas tree on the dash. Just a little driving video. Oh my God, I actually missed it. All right, I'm not worried. I'll just do something else. How do I do this? Okay. I'll be right back. So yeah, RPM gauge is still not working. That's why a lot of these lights right here come on. So yeah, I gotta deal with that crap. But what the hell? Nah, hell nah. Man, I wish I had something to use to hold the phone. Shit! I probably do got something to use to hold the phone. Probably using it right now. Hell nah. What's up with this damn camera and the autofocus business, man? Come on. Turn it back on. Like it's about to rain too. More and more grain. Okay. And I'll be right back. Trying to join up a little video, throw up something. I'll be right back. Okay. Rowdy, huh? Very rowdy. Very rowdy, very rowdy. I think that's enough for one day.